I just wanted to let you know that Tropical Storm Milton is on its way to the villages. It is scheduled to be a Category 3 hurricane. Good afternoon. Happy Sunday afternoon, friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I am driving north on Buena Vista Boulevard. I am about to take a right onto El Camino Real Drive. This is the roundabout. As you can see, friends, it is raining a little bit. It is Sunday afternoon at around 1 p.m. That is the Savannah Recreation Center, just to give you perspective, friends. I thought I'd make this video today for several reasons. I just wanted to let you know that Tropical Storm Milton is on its way to the villages. It is scheduled to be a Category 3 hurricane when it hits the Florida coastline. Somewhere near Tampa, Florida is where it's supposed to make landfall. The governor of Florida already declared Lake County and Sumter County and Marion County as a state of emergency. And those are the three counties that the villages resides in. So there are some forecasts that show that the hurricane could pass directly over the villages. And there are some storm trackers that think it will pass a little bit south of Tampa. And some think it's going to pass a little bit north of Tampa. So we will keep you posted. Hurricane Milton is due to affect the villages sometime late Tuesday into early Wednesday. And this is just some preliminary rain that we're receiving. It's actually not due to the tropical storm. But late on Tuesday, we're talking midnight, and early Wednesday, that hurricane is supposed to affect the villages. Also, I am driving to Spanish Springs Town Square because there have been a few things in the news up there recently. Let's go over there and take a look. Here we are, friends. I'm walking down the golf cart path here in Spanish Springs, and you can see it is raining a little bit. And there has been recent news regarding the golf cart bridge, the bridge that connects the historic side of the villages to Spanish Springs. And that is your golf cart bridge right there, friends. That bridge goes over US 441. And this bridge has been in the news recently, and I wanted to bring you this content to show you what is going on with this golf cart bridge here in Spanish Springs Town Square. Here you can see a golf cart coming down that bridge. Let's go over there, friends, and take a look. There you are, friends. This is the golf cart bridge that connects the historic side of the villages to Spanish Springs. It does go over US 441. That's US 441 right there. And that is your golf cart bridge. This bridge has been in the news recently. If you take a really close look at this wall, you will see that they painted over graffiti. Earlier this week, vandals painted graffiti on this bridge wall, and you can see right there. And you can see how quickly the villages reacted. I will include a picture of what the graffiti looked like before the villages painted over it. And I will include that picture that I downloaded from thevillages-news.com. Here's some more. You can see where the graffiti was, and the villages painted over it. They estimate that the cost to fix and paint over this graffiti is going to cost $6,000 to fix this paint. Let's take a drive over to Spanish Springs Town Square. There's more news over there as well. Here we are, friends. I'm driving through Spanish Springs Town Square, and there has been recent news about a new retail store coming to Spanish Springs Town Square. Right over there is Genesis Health Club. Some people tell me that's really nice. So there's a new women's clothing store coming to Spanish Springs that's been in the news recently. And the store is called J. Jill Clothing Store. And they are due to move into an existing location here. And they are going to renovate an existing space. They don't say where that space will be. Right over there you can see there's a Chico store here in Spanish Springs. So that's the news in Spanish Springs. I also wanted to bring you some content regarding Tropical Storm Milton. And today is Sunday. It is 1:20 p.m. on Sunday. The villages did start closing some golf courses due to Tropical Storm Milton already. And they did start closing them yesterday, Saturday, after the first wave of golfers went out on the course. And they recently closed several executive golf courses, as well as championship golf courses. They did close the Southern Oaks golf course yesterday, and they already had several executive golf courses closed from Hurricane Helene. But they also closed several other executive golf courses. I did notice today when I was driving around that they are trying to lower the retention pond water levels. It's raining today, Sunday, and I did notice that they had their water sprinkling systems on. They're trying to lower those retention ponds. And that's the reason they closed the golf courses as well. They closed the golf courses so they can water them to lower the retention ponds. So the villages is already preparing for Hurricane Milton, which is due to affect the villages late Tuesday and into Wednesday. I do appreciate you watching my videos. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Stay safe, everyone. Hello, friends. I have some bonus content for you. It is Sunday afternoon. It is raining. And they do have a polo match going on today. Look at the horses there. I am at the polo fields. And the cost is $20 if you want to drive in. And you do see some people on their golf carts over there spectating. The admission fee is $20. They do hold polo matches every Friday and Sunday between now and the weekend before Thanksgiving. So there is your polo match update here from the Villages, Florida. Take care and stay safe, everyone.